Hello everyone! Want to unlock all the cool features on Discord? First, you need to verify your account. Don't worry, it's super easy and let's get started. Launch the Discord app on your phone or computer. At the bottom, find and tap the U option. Look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. This will show your account details. Tap on your email address. A message will pop up. Click Send Verification Code. Open your email and find the message from Discord. The email contains a verification code. Copy it. Go back to Discord, paste the code, and tap Next. Your email is now verified, and you're all set to use Discord fully. And that's it. Now you know how to verify your Discord account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.